You've done everything, worked your ass off, and the scale still won't move. And you just can't understand why. Spoiler, it's not your genetics, and it's not because of the carbs you ate. It's because your body is smarter than your diet. Let me prove it and show you how to fix it. Weight loss isn't a straight line. As you lose weight, appetite climbs and energy goes down without you noticing. It's called metabolic adaptation, and it's normal. It shrinks your deficit, slows weight loss, and creates plateaus. Most plateaus are not magic metabolism. They're the math changing underneath you and mistakes your brain doesn't register. NEAT, your unconscious movement, often drops when you diet. Two people with the same workout can burn wildly different totals because one moves, stands, and walks more. That hidden movement can be hundreds of calories throughout the day. We humans are terrible at estimating calories, especially from restaurants and healthy snacks. Portion sizes in restaurants are also bigger than you think. Sodas, fancy coffees, healthy juices, alcohol don't fill you as much as most food. And we don't compensate by moving more or eating less. Most of the time we just add those hidden calories and forget all about it. Also, when we drink alcohol, your body sees the alcohol as a toxin and makes clearing it a top priority. While your liver is busy burning off the alcohol, it pauses fat burning. That means the other stuff you ate, carbs and fats from your meal, is more likely to get stored, especially fat, since your body isn't burning it right away. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies crave more food. Research shows that just by extending sleep in real-life conditions, people naturally ate about 270 fewer calories per day without even trying. That's the equivalent of skipping a small snack or soda every day, which can add up to serious weight changes over weeks and months. Lack of sleep doesn't just make you tired, it affects your hunger hormones. Ghrelin, the I'm hungry signal, goes up, while leptin, the I'm full signal, goes down. On top of that, your brain becomes more responsive to high-calorie, high-palatable foods like pizza, chips, and sweets. In other words, your willpower isn't weaker, your biology is pushing you towards easy, high-energy, dense foods. And chronic stress makes this even worse. Stress hormones like cortisol increase appetite and makes comfort foods feel even more rewarding. So if you're both stressed and underslept, your body is basically wired to eat more and move less. Ultra-processed foods make us eat more, even when the nutrition seems the same on paper. In a carefully controlled study, people were given two different diets, one based on ultra-processed foods, the other on minimally processed foods. Both diets had the same amounts of protein, fat, carbs, sugar, and fiber, and even matched calories available. The surprising result? On the ultra-processed diet, people ate about 500 extra calories per day without realizing it. That's the equivalent of a burger and a fries sneaking into your diet every day. Not because you're hungrier, but the foods are designed to be eaten quickly and in larger amounts. People spend years searching for the perfect diet. But studies comparing low-carb, low-fat Mediterranean and others keep finding the same result. What matters most is sticking to it. The winning diet isn't the trendiest one. It's the one you can actually follow tomorrow, next week, and next year. Plateaus are not a mystery shutdown. As you lose weight, your calorie needs shrink. If you don't adjust food or activity, progress slows. On top of that, appetite rises and little mistakes add up. Most plateaus are just math and consistency drifts, not your metabolism breaking. Intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating doesn't cause extra fat loss when calories are equal. Bottom line, use timing if it helps you eat less calories, not because it's a magic trick. Here's a plan to help you survive your biology, your calendar, and your cravings. Set a realistic calorie deficit. Aim to lose about 0.5 to 1% of your body weight per week. Recheck your calorie needs every few weeks, because as you get lighter, you burn fewer calories. If your weight hasn't moved for 2+ weeks, eat a bit less or move a little more. Eat foods that actually fill you up. Protein is king. Eat plenty. Meat, eggs, yogurt, beans. It keeps you full and protects your muscles. Fiber helps. Load up on veggies, fruits, oats, beans. They'll fill you up more for fewer calories. Watch liquid calories. Soda, juice, alcohol. It's easy calories that don't fill you. Stick to water and whole foods when you can, or diet sodas, which are also great. Limit junk or ultra-processed foods. Even if the calories fit, they make you eat more without realizing it. Train to keep muscle. Lift weights at least 2 to 4 times a week. Track your progress and even try to add more weight progressively. Cardio is healthy, but don't depend on it to outburn your overeating. Your body often slows down elsewhere to make up for it. Move more outside the gym. Set a step goal, 8,000 to 12,000 a day. Add easy habits, short walks after meals, take the stairs, stand up during calls. These little moves add up and are harder for your body to cancel out. Fix sleep and stress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good sleep. Manage the stress daily. Walk, lifting, deep breaths. Poor sleep plus more stress equals more cravings and late night snacking as well. Design your environment. Keep healthy, ready-to-eat foods front and center. Yogurt, fruit, prepped meals. Hide or limit trigger foods. Don't forbid them, just make them less convenient. Measure cooking oil. Just a bit can add 150 calories without noticing. How to handle plateaus. If your weight hasn't changed for 2+ weeks, double check your tracking. Weigh oils, sauces in each calorie you put in. Add more movement, extra steps, or a short cardio session. If still stuck, cut 150 to 200 calories a day, usually from snacks or extra carbs and fats. Optional, take a short diet break, 1 to 2 weeks eating at maintenance, to recharge, then continue. Most successful diets include a deload phase. Your body isn't broken, it's protective. Beat it by designing a plan your biology can't outsmart. Meals rich in protein and fiber, lifting, enough steps, proper sleep. I will be dropping a 1-page plateau protocol in the description below. Also, I would love to know how you overcame your plateaus in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.